Barney, did you say you had something for me?
I sure did, Tina. I've given away all my ice cream except this last treat. A super delicious ice cream cone to make a bad day all better.
Ooh, yummy.
Whoa, that was good.
Thanks, Barney. This is the nicest thing that's happened to me today.
Ice cream!
Oh no! My ice cream! It's all over the ground.
Oh, Tina.
I'm sorry.
Tina.
My ice cream fell over the sun.
And we're out of strawberry
Ice cream. Now they're gone. No.